Welcome to this tutorial in Fusion 360. I will show how to make a custom thread. Go to Create, then select Thread. Now select the thread type, and here you will see there are no BSF, also known as British Standard Fine Thread. If you go to Autodesk support site, you can find an article on creating a custom thread and thread standard in Fusion 360. Here you can find the directory for Windows and Mac. In both cases you need to find the thread data directory as shown here. I will link to it in the description. I have already found the directory. So now I'm going to find the thread type that are most similar to the thread I need to make. I'm going to copy and paste it to another directory, so I can edit without damaging an existing file. As you can see, I have already made an BSF pipe thread. I'm going to pick the BSF pipe thread. You are going to select the file you have pasted in. Now double click on the file and open it with Notepad. At the top of the file you can see angle type. Make sure that it either are 60 or 55 according to the thread you need to make. I'm going to scroll to the bottom of the file to insert one more thread size. You need to highlight from thread size to thread size, then you need to copy and paste it. Now you need to edit the data according to the thread you need to make. As you can see, I want to make a thread size that are 7 and 8 and which are 11 inches. In the description class, I have typed pitch in millimeter instead of 6/8 or A, which are normal standard for thread in millimeter. Because when you want to machine the part, it's easier to define a thread in millimeter when you have to manufacture it in Fusion. Now make sure you have the right data, internal as in external. And lastly, you need to make sure you have the right drill size. As you can see, I have made a little error in pitch per millimeter. They are not the same, so be careful when you are entering your own data. Now you are done, and now you can save the document and close it. The only thing you need to do is copy the file into Fusion thread data directory. Close the windows. Now go back to Fusion and click on Create and click on Thread and select the thread type, and now you will see your BSF pipe thread. Click on it and now you can choose the right size you need. I hope this was helpful and good luck on making your own thread.